Hello everyone, let's check this video.
Good morning. My name.
Did you all understand? Do you know what this sign means? Let me explain. This is the sign for name, which means NAME. Yes, this is the sign for name. Why do different places have different sign languages? In India, different regions have different name signs. Let me show you. This is name. 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 There are different signs, but why? In India, we have diverse cultures, so we have different sign languages. You must learn new signs for these words. Thank you.